Himugog kanang video cord o video nga naka-record about sa plumbing. Then magamit ka gapon ni ako ni sa pohon. Every now and then kung naga review ko. So muna yung kaon ang ako lang ni-record ang akong gina-studyhan. Plumbing. The art and technique of installing pipes, fixtures, and other apparatus and buildings for bringing in the supply liquids, substances, and or ingredient, and removing them in such water, liquid, and other cleared waste, hazardous to life, to health, sanitation, life, property, also the pipes and fixtures, and ako aspon. Plumbing, the art and techniques of installing pipes, fixtures, and other apparatus in building for bringing the supply liquids, substances, and or ingredients, and removing them in such water, liquid, and other carried waste, hazardous to health, sanitation, life, property, also the pipes and fixtures after installation in the plumbing system. Plumbing appliance. Any of a special class of device or equipment intended to perform a special plumbing function is a operation and or control may be dependent upon one or more energy component such as motor, heating elements, and pressure temperature sensing elements. Pipe hangers and support are considered one. Plumbing appurtenance. A manufactured device or a prefabricated assembly of an on-the-job assembly of component parts and service as adjunct to the basic piping system. And plumbing fixtures and appurtenance demands no additional water supply, nor does it add any discharge load to a fixtures or the drainage system. Plumbing firm is sole proprietorship or corporation composed of registered and licensed master plumber together with allied professionals, with the master plumbers composing the majority of the membership incorporators, directors, and or executive officers, and licensed master plumber only render work and services within the cognizance of a registered master plumber, and members of the allied professions also only render work and services within the cognizance of their respective professions. Plumbing fixtures are approved type installed receptacles, devices, or appliances supplied with water or receive liquid or liquid-borne waste and discharge such waste into the drainage system to which they may be directly or indirectly connected. Industrial or commercial tanks, baths, and similar processing equipment are not plumbing fixtures but may be connected to or discharged into approved traps of plumbing fixtures as provided for in this code. Floor drainage is considered to be a fixtures. Plumbing official. The administrative authority or the officer charged with the administration and enforcement of the National Plumbing Code or his regularly authorized deputy. Plumbing system includes all potable water supply and distribution pipes, all plumbing fixtures and traps, all sanitary and storm drainage systems, vent pipes, roof drains, leaders and downspout in all building drains and sewers, including the respective joints and connections, devices, receptacles, and appurtenances within the property water lines and the premises potable tap, hot and chilled water piping, potable water treating or using equipment, fuel gas piping, water heaters, and vent for same. Plumbing unit, a minimum standard quantity of plumbing fixtures that discharge waste into a plumbing installation, including 1 water meter, 1 water closet, 1 lavatory, 1 shower head and drain for a bathtub or shower stall, 1 kitchen sink, 1 laundry tray, 3 floor drain, 4 faucets, hose babe, flush bar, hose babe, 13 in all total plumbing fixtures minimum. Master plumber, a person technically and legally qualified and licensed to practice the profession of master plumbing without limitation in accordance with the Republic Acts 1378, having passed in the examination conducted by the Professional Regulation Commission, has received a certificate of registration from the Board of Master Plumbing and possesses the current license to practice. National Plumbing Code governs the practice of plumbing in the Philippines, the design, installation, and use of plumbing fixtures and materials in building. Invert elevation. The lowest portion of the interior part of any pipe or conduit that is not vertical, the measurement of the inner wall of the pipe. Drum trap. A cylindrical trap commonly used on the drain pipe from the bathtub or under the bathroom floor. Drum trap. Integral trap. Trap that is built in the water closet. Integral trap. Shovel pipe. Any pipe which conveys the discharge of water closet, urinal, or fixtures having similar functions with or without the discharges from other fixtures to the building drain or building sewer. Shovel pipe. Then next, gray water. Water coming from the lavatory, bathtub, etc. that flows into the waste pipe. Gray water. Black water. Water coming from water closet, urinal, and the like that flows into shovel pipe. Black water. 14.75 PSI. Atmospheric pressure from the BTR. 14.75 PSI. Air gap. The unobstructed vertical distance through the pre-atmosphere between the two openings of the pipe. Plumbing fixtures, appliance, or appurtenance to the flood level rim of the receptor fixtures. Air break. Air gap. That is air gap din. Air break. A physical separation which may be a low inlet into the indirect waste. Air break. Air break. A physical separation which may be a low inlet into an indirect waste receptor from the fixtures, appliance, or device indirectly connected at least 25 mm. Air break. Then, sanitary and plumbing system and equipment. A. Water supply. Number 1, sedimentation, a method of purifying water wherein particles of matters that are suspended in the water are allowed to stay in a container so that they will settle in the bottom, then drawing the water out, leaving these matters in the container. Sedimentation. Number 2, water is treated by giving chemical treatment to kill the harmful bacteria present and to cure the turbid test or mud test, remove clay, salts, iron, etc. Commonly used treating liquids is chlorine. That is chemical treatment. Water is purified by filtration. Filtration na bagis. In various processes so as to remove the particles of vegetables, matter, mud, and other particles of matter present in the water. Most commonly used materials are sand and rubble. Number 4, raw material is made to pass on pipes of tiny sieves, strainers, and exposed to air of fine mist to purify it. This is called aeration method. Number 5, a pampa, is water equipment used whenever the water supply at its natural pressures cannot be directly piped to a building, tanks or reservoir. That is pump. Number 6, lift pump, LIFT, consists of a person traveling up and down within a cylinder which is connected with a pipe extending down into the source. The piston and the bottom of the cylinder are its source. The piston and the bottom of the cylinder are its provided with a valve opening upward. Upon the piston's upstroke valve E, quote-unquote A, closes and valve B opens. Upon the piston's down stroke valve E opens and B closes. Mauna ang lift pump. Number 7, force pump is used to deliver water at a point higher than the position of the pump itself. When the plunger piston descends, valve E is closed and water in the cylinder is forced out through valve B and up to the storage. When the plunger is raised, valve B is closed and E open to admit water to the cylinder. A pump that uses pressure to move liquid, close parenthesis. 8. Submersible pump is a kind of pump attached to the end of the well pipe enclosed in a casing where the pump is capable of functioning while submerged. Iunlod ba? Parang gibuhat ng mga sa kasas. Submersible pump. Number 9, sump. Kani. Underground container for waste matter. A covered underground tank or well for the collection of waste matter and water, especially sewage. Sump. SUMP. Number 10, cistern tank. A reservoir tank or vessel for storing or holding water or other liquids. Number 11, water tank. May be used either for the collection of water without consideration of pressures or for storing water under air pressure or under a static head for future distribution by pneumatic or gravity means. Materials are PVC, GI reinforced concrete, stainless steel, or plain steel. Number 11, a suction tank. is a tank constructed of riveted or welded steel plate. The larger tanks often being divided into two compartments. This should be large enough to contain at least 1 day's supply for the entire building in case the city main is temporarily shut off. The pipe from the pump to the tank should be across connected to the city main so that the water may be pumped directly from the main in case of fire. These tanks are used so that the pneumatic tank or other pump suck the water from this tank and not from the public main, so that it will not deprive the neighbors of water due to pressure. Suction tank. 13. UPFEED system. UPFEED system. UPFEED system. Water is distributed from the normal water pressure coming from the public water main for low-rise building. Then downfeed system. By gravity, water is distributed from overhead water tanks and is supported either by structural frames or on the roof decks. Fixtures are below the gravity tank. These elevated tanks are installed when normal water supply from the main public service pipes is not frequent and when normal pressure from city main is not enough to force the water to the highest fixtures. 15. The pipe from the public water main or source of water supply to the building serve as cold service pipe. 16. The vertical supply pipe which extend upward from one floor to the next is called a riser, and the horizontal pipes that serve the deposits are called branches. Hallelujah. The pipe from the 15. The pipe from the public water service or source of water supply to the building served as is called service pipe. Service pipe. The vertical supply pipe which extend upward from the one floor to the next is called a riser, and the horizontal pipes that serve the faucets are called branches. Riser o branches, ha? So, sabihin na tayo guys, water supply, water main. Water main, number 1, refers to the public water system laid underground along the street where the house service is connected. Number 2, gooseneck, Gooseneck. One end is 0.3 meter and the other end is 0.9 meter long. This prevents the pipe from snapping when the shovel settles use it. Number 3, corporation cap. Stop valve in the service pipe close to its connection with the water main. Number 4, bossing, a kind of GI fitting used as a reducer from a bigger diameter to a lesser diameter. Union. Number 5, a GI fitting which is used when a pipe has already been installed but dismantling is difficult. Union. Kaning water hammer. Number 6, excessive pressure produces a rumbling sound called the water hammer. This occurs when a valve is suddenly turned off and causes the water to stop forcing the pipe to shake, and to reduce this, an additional 0.30 meter to 0.9 meter length of pipe is added to the riser to give air pressure which absorb it. Number 7, split elbow or T. Money, another term sa T, street elbow. A kind of GI pitting that has one end external threads while the other end has internal thread. Street elbow or tree. To ensure no leakage, a GI pipe when threaded has to use lead liquid or Teflon tape around the thread before tightening the fittings. UPVC means unplasticized polyvinyl chloride pipe. Unplasticized polyvinyl chloride pipe. That is unplasticized polyvinyl chloride pipe. 10. Gate bulbs. This consists of a wedge-shaped plug which is screwed down to sit between two brass rings surrounding the inlet pipe so that a double seal is obtained. The inlet and outlet are in a straight line. This bulb is used when a normal pulley open or closed position is disturbed. Either end may be used to it as silent. Either end may be used as silent. 11. Check bulbs. These bulbs are used when it is desired that the flow through a pipe be always in one direction, and there is a possibility of a flow taking place in the opposite direction. One type has a pivoted flap, which is readily pushed open by the pressure of water from one side but is tightly closed by the force of a reverse flow. Casing, number 12. Sakop ni siya sa sakop ni siya sa water supply, sa B. Corporation cock. I-stop bulb and i-service. Kaning corporation cock dito ni stubo ba? Nya, bangag din na. Sa magbutang da corporation cock. Kaya, stop bulb and i-service or a pipe close to its connection with a water main. Corporation cock. Corporation cock. Bushing, a kind of GI pitting used as a reducer from a bigger diameter to a lesser diameter. Bushing, kanang gikan na now. Then, dako, pagpadon, mugamay. Pagdubol sakit, pero gamay isa na bushing na tawag na. Union. O kanang union, kutong, kanang naay tangka, naay tuyok sa tunga. Union, number 5. A GI pitting which is used when a pipe has already been installed, but dismantling is difficult. Number 6. Excessive pressures produces a rumbling sound called the water hammer. Water hammer, This occurs when a bulb is suddenly turned off and causes the water to stop, forcing the pipe to shake, and to reduce this an additional 0.30 meter to 0.9 meter. Length of pipe is added to the riser to give air pressure which absorb it. Length of pipe. Street elbow or T, a kind of GI pitting that has one end external threads while the other end has internal threads. Number 8. To ensure no leakage, a GI pipe, when threaded, has to use lead liquid or Teflon tape around the thread before tightening the fittings. Teflon, guys, number 8. To ensure no leakage, a GI pipe, when it threaded, has to use lead liquid or Teflon tape around the thread before tightening the fittings. UPVC means, number 9, unplasticized polyvinyl chloride pipe. Unplasticized polyvinyl chloride pipe. Number 10, gate bulb. Number 10, gate bulb. This consists of a wedge-shaped plug which is screwed down to sit between two brass rings surrounding the inlet pipe so that a double seal is obtained. The inlet and outlet are in a straight line. This bulb is used when a normal pulley open or closed position is desired. either in and may be used as inlet. Number 11. Number 10 is gate valve. Saka to. And number 11 is cheek valve. Cheek valve na sa kwan. Kanang di kan sa tangke. Kaya ang kaning cheek valve magod pag automatic na siya sira ba. Para din ang balik ang tubig. Pag-release, pag-release mo, open mo na siya, mo na, pag mo na flow, bang, balik na siya. So, katong pikas na tubig, di nakabalik. Muna siya, cheek valves. These valves are used when it is desired that the flow through a pipe be always in one direction. And there is a possibility of a flow taking place in the opposite direction. One type has a pivoted flap, which is readily pushed open by the pressure of water from one side, but is tightly closed by the force of a reverse flow. Number 12. Casing, a material used as a covering such as pipe bigger than the main pipe of a deep well, so that the main pipe can be pulled out to repair. Casing. Kanang casing, guys, kanang magkalot galing ka kuan. Kalot ka og kanang deep well. Butangan gyud na casing, tak anam pagkamukalot mo unlod mo na. Then pagkahuman na butangan na siya og pump. Then ang katong tangke nga nahuman ninyo mo to dito sa reservoir o tangke nga dako ang tubig na i-distribute muna siyang kinahanglan ng casing. Kaya kung walay casing, mahugmak. Number 13, overhead height. This is the vertical distance from the higher source of water or overhead tank to the outlet faucet shower head and is distributed by gravity. Overhead height. Taas. Overhead height. So, labaw sa, klaro, makaya na overhead height. Labaw sa ulo. Number 14, water table. Kanang water table. Surface ba? Water table. Subsurface condition of groundwater and rock must be known sites with subsurface which are about 1.8 meter to 2.4 meter below grade can cause problems with excavations, foundations, utility placement, and landscaping. This is described as a level underground in which the soil is situated with water. Pipe chase, an opening or space to accommodate a group of pipe. Sabsaya mo ni, gukod sa tubo. Pipe chase. When the water supply or a sa 16 grouping. When the water supply of a very tall building is designed as a unit, the required capacities of tanks, pumps, and pipings become unduly large and excessive pressures are developing in lower portion of the downspeed risers. The buildings, therefore, are divided into horizontal sections or grouping and to design the hot and cold water supply system separately for each. Fire protection. Sa C na ta. Fire protection. Padayon ta. Fire protection, storm water. Fire protection niya kama storm water. Number 1. Sa C ni siya. C. Fire protection niya kama storm water. Number 1. Stand pipes and hoses. Unsa ni siya? So, atong kuno na with separate water reserve or upfeed pumping are extremely valuable in any buildings but become highly essential in tall buildings. This system, intended for use by building personnel until the fire engines arrive, and thereafter by the trained staff of the fire department. Number 2, automatic sprinkler. Automatic sprinkler systems consist of horizontal pattern of pipes placed near the ceilings of industrial buildings, warehouses, stores, theaters, and other structures where the fire hazard requires their use. These pipes are provided with outlet and heads so constructed that temperatures of 55 to 70 degrees Celsius will cause them to open automatically and emit a series of timed water sprays. Number 3, wet pipe system. A system of sprinklers with its pipes constantly filling both mains and distribution pipes. Wet pipe system. Dry pipe system. Generally confined to unheated buildings, there is no water in the distribution pipes except during a fire. Remote of valves may be adequate by sensitive elements to admit water to sprinkler heads. Siamese twin. An inlet, number 5. An inlet placed outside a building close to ground level, having 2 openings so that fire engines can pump water to the dry stand pipes and sprinkler system of the building. Number 6. Sprinkler heads are the quartzoid, QUERTZOID, quartzoid bulb type. The bulb is transparent and contains a colored liquid. At 360 degrees Fahrenheit, the bulb breaks and releases a water stream. One is called upright when used above piping, when piping. So, upright ang ani sprinkler heads, upright. Sprinkler heads are the quartzoid bulb type. Muna siya, upright. Number napay upright when used above piping, when piping is exposed, but when it is hidden inside ceilings that show only the bulb, it is called pendant. Kanya daw nakatago sa ceiling ng sprinkler, nakatago. Ang ipakita, ang bulb lang ba? Ipakita lang bulb na kitaan mo sa ceiling. Uy, na bulb. It is called pendant. Muna yung mga sprinkler. Katong upright niya, ingon niya sa taas. It's called upright. Muna siya. The bulb is transparent and contains a colored liquid. At 360 degrees Fahrenheit, the bulb breaks and releases a water stream. Pasabot ang trick kung makakuha sa 360 degrees Fahrenheit, mabuto ang bulb, mag-release a water stream. Ang kainit siguro na, panang maintan ba? Na init ang sprinkler, nang kakita sa ceiling, ug naisunog, bubuto. Then kuha na siya, mabuga na og tubig. Muna siya ang tawag diri, the bulb breaks and releases a water stream. One is called upright. when used above piping, when piping is exposed, but when it is hidden inside ceiling that shows only the bulb, it is called pendant. P-E-N-D-E-N-T, pendant. Number 7, the portion of the plumbing system which conveys rainwater to a suitable terminal. This is usually discharged into a street gutter conveyed by a public storm drain system, and carried to some drainage terminal such as liquid or rivers. Number 8, perforated, actually perforated diri ba? Pero ang kung ani perforated, I don't know kung say ko na perforated pipe. When the soil is not permeable and it touches a concrete or hollow block wall of a basement, rainwater will seep on it and may flood. The gravel is placed all around this wall, 0.30 meter wide and about 0.30 meter below the basement floor. Rainwater from the gravel towards the drainage terminal. Perforated pipe. So, muna siya perforated pipe ha. When the soil is not permeable and it touches a concrete or hollow block wall of a basement, rainwater will seep on it and may flood. The gravel is placed all around this wall, 0.30 meter wide and about 0.30 meter below the basement floor. Rainwater from the gravel towards the drainage terminal. Then sa D na ta. D. Sanitary drainage system. Number 1, black water. Water plus human waste, solid and liquid, urine that is flushed out of toilets and urinals. So, black water. Soil stock pipe. Number 2, soil stock pipe. A vertical soil pipe containing fecal matter and liquid waste. Saan ang fecal matter? Hugo, masig tain na. What is fecal matter? I-research na ko ni. Unsa ning fecal matter and liquid waste. Number 3, waste pipes. A pipe which conveys only liquid waste free of fecal matter. Saan yung fecal matter, ha? What is fecal matter? Fecal matter, solid excretory product evacuated from the bowels. Kung saan ang bowels? Sa ito pa, tai siguro ni. Dumi. So, muna siya. Waste pipes. Number 3, a pipe which conveys only liquid waste free of fecal matter. Tai. Ikulay, anak. Bin. Number 4, A pipe or opening used for ensuring the circulation of air in a plumbing system and of reducing the pressure exerted on trap cells. Vent. Cleaning per rule. F-E-R-R-U-L-E. Clean out per rule. Metallic sleeve caulk to fill. Metallic sleeve caulk, C-E-L-K-E-D, to fill the gaps, to seal, or to waterproof, or otherwise joined to an opening in a pipe into which a plug is screwed that can be removed for the purpose of cleaning or examining the interior of the pipe. Clean out per rule. Number 6, trap. A fitting or device constructed as to prevent the passage of air, gas, and materially affecting the flow of sewage or wastewater through it. House drain. Number 7. The part of the lowest horizontal piping of a plumbing system which receives the discharge from soil waste and other drainage pipes inside of a building and conveys it to the house sewer. It should have a slope of at least 1/4 inch to a foot or 6 mm for every 300 mm or 2%. Number 8, underground pit. Why not some pits? A pit or receptacle at a low point to which the liquid waste are drained. Muna underground pit kung mga liquid waste nga asa to agas. Asa na pitang agas. SHEFT. S-H-E-F-T. A vertical opening, though a building for elevators, dumb waiters, light, ventilation, and others. SHEFT. S-H-E-F-T. Number 10. Sleeve. A sheet metal placed when concrete is poured to accommodate pumping pipes through the whole mid. Sleeve. Or sleeve pipes. S-L-E-E-B-E. Sleeve. 11. Cooking. Kanang pang suksok ba? Lugging. L-U-G-G-I-N-G. Lugging. An opening around pipe joints with oakum, hemp soaked with oil. Oakum. Meron na nagsako ba? Isuk-sok kilid. With hemp soaked with oil. Lead or other materials like epoxy, adhesive on vinyl that are pounded place. Number 12. Grids of horizontal piping. All horizontal piping shall run in practical alignment in at a uniform grade of not less than 2% and shall be supported or anchored at intervals not exceeding 3 meter length, 10 feet. All stocks shall be properly supported at their bases and all pipes are rigidly 100 inches length. Number 12, grades of horizontal piping. Grades of horizontal piping. All horizontal piping shall run in practical alignment in at a uniform grade of not less than 2% and shall be supported or anchored at intervals not exceeding 3 meter length, 10 feet. All stocks shall be properly supported at their bases, and all pipes are rigidly 100 inches length. So number 13, grease trap. Grease trap. This kind of trap must be installed wherever oily, lard contained waste from hotels, restaurants, club, houses, or similar public eating places are discharged into the sewer or septic vault. Some traps shall be placed as near as possible to the fixtures from which it receives the discharge and shall have an airtight cover, easily removable to permit its cleaning. Trap shell, this is the vertical distance between the dip and the crown weir. Number 14 The trap shell, this is the vertical distance between the dip and the crown weir, an embankment or levee, built to hold water in its course or to divert it to a new course of a P-trap. Period. Also, it is of the water in the trap between the dip and the crown weir to prevent unpleasant and odorous gases to enter the room through the fixtures. Number 15. Siphonage. The result of a minus pressure in the drainage system. Pressure is a force required to move gas or liquid. When a large amount of the trap seal is absolutely discharged, when the seal is lost, backflow of gases from the sewer line will pass into the trap, find its way to the fixture's drain outlet, and spread into the room. 16. Upon the completion of the entire water distribution system, including connections to apprentices, devices, tanks, or fixtures, it shall be tested and inspected by means of water and air test. Water and air test. Ano siya? Upon the completion of the entire water distribution system, including connection to apprentices, devices, tanks, or fixture, it shall be tested and inspecting by means of water and air test. Water and air test. Repeat lang ako. Sa nata. Sewage disposal system, refusing handling.